What's up, world? Plant Savvy is here, and I am out back in this awesome heat of the morning. Man Savvy Production. And what we have here is the coleus plant. I also have the red variety, the flamethrower coleus, and these here are perfect for the Florida summer. They enjoy partial to full sunlight, but with this heat and how dry the humidity has all of a sudden gotten, because I walked outside, usually my glasses will fog up immediately because I'm coming in from the cool AC in the inside the house to the hot, humid weather. When I walked outside today, there was no humidity, there was no fogging of my glasses. So therefore, I know there is less humidity in the air and just strict heat. So I am going to be planting these babies in the outdoor garden. I'm gonna show you. Let me get you down here. So as you can see right here behind me, I've already started to rebuild the soil with, first of all, these are oak leaves. I had a lot of weeds that all of a sudden started to pop up and take over the garden to the point that I couldn't even see my new sprouts that had started rising up when I planted them. It was all covered in weeds. So last night, because it's super hot in the daytime, so I work at night, I put down a lot of those oak leaves, around this area, so therefore it will keep the grass growing and the weeds down, because it's a leaf that's high in acidic levels, so grass and all the weeds can't grow when it's over it. And what I'm going to do also, I'm going to come back over that, and I'm going to put cardboard over this here area to further along keep those weeds down and away. And of course, when you're using cardboard, always use the cardboard that doesn't have any writing on it. You want it clean, and earth friendly, recyclable. So you can put, say for instance, I'm gonna go grab some. See what I mean? This is not necessarily cardboard, but it's paper, and it's all clean. There's no glossy writing on it. This is the kind of paper you want to use when you're basically lining it up on the garden. You can like fold it like so, using what I got, earth friendly. And what this does, it allows you to have less issues with growing the weeds, because I'm going to come back and I'm going to water these down so that it'll keep it in place. Slow decomposing of the paper, and once you can put wood chips over it to give more of that protection against the weeds growing. But that's what I'm doing on today. And of course, Plant Fam, stay tuned, because I will be doing a live video, because I know you guys was telling me, hey, you wish you would have known. And when I did my previous live, it was just a test run, if you will. But I'm going to do a better job at letting you all know in advance. So here it is. I will be doing a live again at 6:30, the same time next Sunday. So that gives you like a week in advance. So I'll be dropping some information in the community post about it, and trying to let you guys know, hey, this is what's happening with the live. We're just gonna have topics such as gardening, because that's what I've been doing a lot. So if you guys have any gardening questions, go ahead and get them ready. Right now I'm on the thing of posting your compost. I just went and got more horse manure for my compost to make it rich and healthy. I've added more of my own fertilizer to that compost to make it even more of a brilliant coffee compost. So that's going to be the topic next Sunday, 6:30. I'm going live, Plant Fam. So tune in again, 6:30 until 7 p.m. Going live next Sunday. Put it on your calendar, Plant Fam. And of course, you know what else to do, right? Keep planting, baby.